Hello friends, welcome you back to another video, and this time once again I came up with another unboxing video, and this time I have purchased this cartridge. It is for the Canon LBP 2900B printer, and this cost only 450 rupee from Amazon. You can see the packaging of Amazon also here. You can see the packaging of Amazon, and it delivered me within the 5 days. So hey guys, my name is Milind and you are watching my YouTube channel Milind's Station. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So now I'm just doing the unboxing of it, and it is the original packaging from the company itself. The company, it is not the original Canon company, but it is a Jebron company. Jebron's LPC 12a. It is a laser toner cartridge, and it is applicable to so many other laser printers also. So if you have a HP printer or any other company's printer, you can also use it for that. You just go to the Amazon website and you can check the eligibility of where it suits. You can check it that and you can order it, and really it works. It lasts for 5,000 printing. So you can see that very good, nice packaging, and here is the cartridge itself. And I'm just getting it back from the box also, and you can see the cartridge is in the black wrapper, and you can see that the full paper is there. Just see here. So you have to cut it with your scissor. So I'm also going to show you that how you can install it in the printer. So finally I have tore it apart, and below it there is a cartridge. And you can see the cartridge here. So this is the cartridge, and this is the one strip you have to take it off before installing it, and we have also take it these things you have to, because this is the locker, and you have to put off these lockers first before installing the this laser cartridge in the our printer. So you can see that here you have to just press it. You have to just take it off from the printer. You have to take a lot of energy to take it out like this. You have to take it from the printer. So this cartridge. So now let me show you my printer first, and then how to install it. So guys, you can see here the Canon LPG 2900B printer, and for that you have to open this like that, and you have to also open this like that. And this is my other printer, which is I have also printed from the Flipkart, and I got it for just 500 rupee, and this is for the VSCT 303 companies, and now it lasted for 500 printing. And this one actually the new one which I purchased from the Amazon. So you have to just put it like this, and you have to press it like this, and it is ready to take print out. So guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can see such kind of videos regularly. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.